Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is the day 4th of our 30 days English challenge. Today we are going to talk about the power of reading. Reading is incredibly important because it's naturally help us to understand how sentences are structured, and it also help us to build up our word power. But the problem is what to read, how to read, and how to develop this habit, especially for those who hates reading. My biggest advice is that never force yourself to read something just because it is famous or somebody has suggested you until you find it interesting. For example, many people tried reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, but I personally never liked or found it interesting. And many more famous languages are there in the market which I personally never liked, but it has good views in the market. But the key is to building a last habit is to start with the small and read what you actually like and enjoying doing that, or you don't get bored and quit it very easily. While I always prefer you to read non-fictional novel because it connects you with the reality, but you can absolutely go with the fictional if you like, or if it keeps you engaged and you can able to develop your habit. If you want a great recommendation, I always suggest you to read Sudha Murthy novel. Currently, I'm reading 3000 Stitches and Wise or Otherwise. This novel, the style of writing this novel is so interesting. It has written in very simple languages. Even kids can understand this, and you can easily understand it. And it has multiple stories. You can enjoy reading that. Sometimes it doesn't feel like it's non-fictional novel. So that is the best thing of this novel. Take out just 1 hour of your special time, at least read one story. You don't need to force yourself to finish entire novel. The goal is simple, just to build a habit. If you don't understand it in first time, then read it again. Keep a pencil with you and mark the interesting sentence structured and new vocabulary. Look up the meaning immediately, write it down, and try it 4 or 5 times in daily conversation with the people, so it can get stick in your mind. So you can free to choose any novel you like. Once you finish your story for the day, please let me know in the comment what the novel and story you read and what you learn of it. By now, we have discussed several tasks for our challenges, but I want to remind you one more time, these aren't just one time assignments or uh, like one assignments at one day that are meant to become your daily habits. You don't need to take extra time to fulfill all the tasks or assignments which we have discussed so far. Whatever the work you are doing, whatever the household chores you are doing, you can you can finish these assignments along with that. For example, if you are heading out or trying to cooking or doing something else, at that time you can talk about whatever you are doing. In that you can practice about the speaking. If you are not doing if you're not practicing with the real time with some other person. Similar with the listening practice, you can play a new channel or podcast while doing your household chores. You can practice listening, and you can even practice shadowing. Repeat what they say, what are they saying, and the only thing which required your dedication is that reading novels. But I'm sure if you are literally desperate to learn this language, you can take out 1 hour of your day. Because I have seen myself, I was so desperate to learn this language, and I was trying hard to learn it, and I even spent hours, and I invested hours to came at this level. So I'm sure if you literally want to learn this, you can take out 1 hour. It won't take much of your time, and that's how you can make your journey and finish your all task. Thank you so much. We'll definitely meet in next video with some other task. As of now, you have to fulfill all the tasks and let me know in the